Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Madam Amira. My name is IMAN HAKIM bin NOORHASHIMI and I am from Group RBA 2424A. I will be presenting the past goal theory of leadership, which is instrumental or directive leader. Instrumental or directive leader means the leader provides employees with clear guidelines for the process and expectation for them, as well as how to carry out the tasks. This style aims to reduce ambiguity job functions and clarify work process. The ambiguity job means not clearly understandable. So, with the clear guidelines and instruction, the job can be completed correctly. Next, in this theory, the leader defines the relationship between performance goals and reward, including pay increase and promotion. With this style of leadership, leaders are able to supervise employees closely, which make it suitable for the inexperienced employee who need guidance. Lastly, to conclude this theory of leadership, it is important for leader to adapt style based on their employee capabilities and nature of tasks. It is because it might lead to the bad consequence in the future if they force their employee to adapt the leadership style that is not suitable for them. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is MOHD FARIS bin RUNNIZAR and I will proceed with the supportive leadership style. So what is supportive leadership style? The supportive leadership style is particularly relevant in sports psychology. In the context of sport, a supportive leader focuses on creating a positive and encouraging environment for athletes. This involves being approachable, understanding, and responsive to the needs of the team members. Supportive leaders in sports psychology may exhibit the following characteristics. First, emotional support. They provide emotional support to athletes during both triumphs and challenges, fostering a positive and resilient mindset. Second is communication. They maintain open lines of communication, ensuring the athletes feel comfortable expressing their concerns and seeking guidance. Third is feedback. Supportive leaders offer constructive feedback, highlighting strengths and areas of improvement in a positive manner. Fourth is motivation. They inspire and motivate athletes, helping them maintain focus and enthusiasm for their goals. Let's take an example. Consider a situation in soccer team where the athletes are going through a challenging period of poor performance and low morale. So the coach, adopting a supportive leadership style, decides to address the psychological aspect of the team struggle. So this is the strategy, which is the first one, team meeting for open communication. The supportive leader calls for a team meeting to openly discuss the challenges that players are facing. During the meeting, the coach encourages players to express their thoughts and feelings about the recent performance issues without fear of criticism. Second, individual player conferences. By recognizing that each player may be dealing with different pressures, the coach schedules one-on-one conferences with each athlete. In this session, the coach listens attentively to the player's concern, provides emotional support, and discusses strategies for overcoming mental barriers. Third is positive reinforcement and encouragement. This is where the coach focuses on positive reinforcement, acknowledging the player's strength and past achievement, emphasizing a supportive tone, so the coach encourages players to build on their successes and learn from setbacks rather than dwelling on mistakes. Fourth is mental skills training. The coach incorporates mental skills training session into team routines. This session may include visualization techniques, goal settings exercises, and mindfulness practices to help athletes develop a positive mindset, manage stress, and also stay focused during match. Fifth, building team cohesion. The supportive leader organizes team building activities to strengthen the bonds between players. These can be include off-field activities that promote camaraderie, trust, and a sense of unity among team members. Six, continuous feedback and constructive criticism. While being supportive, the coach provides constructive criticism aimed at improvement. Feedback is delivered in a manner that highlights areas for growth without undermining the player's confidence. The coach emphasizes that mistakes are part of the learning process and opportunities to improvement. And seventh, empowering athletes. This is where the coach empowers athletes by involving them in decision-making processes related to training routines, strategies, and also goal setting. This collaborative approach helps athletes feel a sense of ownership and responsibility for their performance. Throughout the supportive leadership strategies, the coach aims to create a positive and uplifting environment within the team. By addressing the psychological well-being of the athletes, the coach contributes to building resilience, boosting morale, and ultimately improving the team's overall performance on the field. In a summary, a supportive leader in sports psychology applies a positive and encouraging approach to address challenges within the team. This leader fosters open communication, provides individualized supports, and emphasizes positive reinforcement. By incorporating mental skill training, building team cohesion, and empowering athletes, the supportive leader aims to enhance the psychological well-being of the team members, ultimately contributing to improved morale and performance on the field. So let's proceed with the next one. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is FARHAN bin Muhammad Noor. I am from class RPA 2424A. I would like to present my part of the path goal theory, which is participative leader in path goal theory of leadership. Now let's get started. In the context of sports psychology and the path goal theory of leadership, a participative leader is one who involves team members in the decision-making process and encourages their input and feedback. The path goal theory, developed by Robert House, suggests that effective leaders are those who clarify the path to goal achievement for their followers and help remove obstacles along the way. In a participative leadership style, the leader seeks to engage athletes in the decision-making process related to their training, strategy, and team goals. This involvement can lead to increased motivation and commitment from the athletes because they feel a sense of ownership and responsibility for the team's success. This approach recognizes that athletes may have valuable insights and perspective that can contribute to the overall success of the team. Participative leaders in sports psychology often foster an open and collaborative team culture. Athletes are encouraged to share their ideas, concerns, and suggestions, creating a more inclusive and supportive environment. This leadership style is particularly beneficial when dealing with a team of diverse individuals who may have different strengths, preferences, and perspectives. Furthermore, the participative leader in the path goal theory adjusts their leadership style based on the needs and characteristics of the athletes and the situation. For example, they may involve athletes more in decision-making during times of low motivation or when facing challenging situations. This adaptability is a key aspect of the path goal theory, as leaders are encouraged to tailor their approach to best support their team in reaching its goals. Here are a couple of examples to illustrate participative leadership. First is project planning and decision making. Imagine a team leader who is responsible for planning a new project. Instead of dictating the project plan, the leader gathers the team for a brainstorming session. During the meeting, team members often share their ideas, concerns, and suggestions. The leader facilitates the discussions, encourages collaboration and works with the team to make decisions collectively. This participative approach ensures that the team feels invested in the project, leading to increased motivation and a sense of ownership among team members. Second is problem solving in a crisis. During a challenging situation or crisis, a participative leader engages the team to find solutions. Instead of making unilateral decisions, the leader calls for a team meeting to discuss the issue. Team members share their perspectives on the problem and contribute potential solutions. The leader guides the discussion, ensures everyone's input is considered, and facilitates a consensus building process. This not only results in a more comprehensive understanding of the problem, but also fosters a collaborative atmosphere where team members feel valued for their insights. And the last one is strategic planning session. In a scenario where an organization is planning its long-term strategy, a participative leader involves key team members in the strategic planning process. The leader organizes workshops or strategy sessions where team members from various departments can contribute their insights. Through this collaborative effort, the leader ensures that the strategic goals align with the diverse perspectives and expertise within the team. This participative approach helps in creating a shared vision and commitment to the organization overarching goals. In summary, a participative leader in the context of the practical theory of leadership in sports psychology is one who values and encourages the input of athletes in decision-making processes, aiming to enhance motivation, commitment, and overall team success. That is all from me. I would like to pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
So my name is AKID, and today I'll be talking about the achievement-oriented leadership style. So, an achievement-oriented leader is someone who sets challenging goals for their followers and expects them to perform at their highest level. This type of leader seeks to improve performance by encouraging individuals to surpass their previous achievements and reach new levels of excellence. The leader communicates high expectations, instills a sense of confidence, and fosters a belief that employees can meet and exceed these expectations. So let's make a scenario. Consider a football coach leading a high school team with an achievement-oriented leadership style. The coach sets ambitious goals for the players, focusing on improving overall team performance and specific skills. One key goal is for the team striker to increase their goal scoring rate by a significant margin during the season. So, the implementation of imagery coping strategy first is goal visualization. Before each match, the coach encourages the striker to engage in goal visualization. The player sits in a quiet space, closes their eyes, and mentally visualizes themselves on the field, scoring goals with precision and skill. The coach emphasizes the importance of imagining the details, such as the movement of the ball, the cheers of the crowd, and the celebration with teammates. Second is defeating defensive opponents. So during imagery sessions, the striker focuses on visualizing scenarios where they successfully navigate through tough defensive opponents. The coach guides them to imagine using clever footwork, speed, and agility to create scoring opportunities, instilling a sense of confidence and control. Third is handling high-pressure situations. The coach incorporates imagery coping for high-pressure situations. The striker envisions scenarios where they are faced with crucial penalty kicks or one-on-one situation with the goalkeeper. The mental rehearsal involves staying calm, focused, and executing precise shots to score, regardless of the pressure. The fourth one is celebration and positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is to integrate it into the imagery sessions. The coach guides the player to visualize not only scoring goals, but also the celebration that follows, including teammates cheering, high fives, and positive feedbacks from the coach. This reinforces the connection between successful performance and positive outcomes. And the last one is consistency and improvement. The coach encourages the striker to make imagery coping a consistent part of their pre-match routine, emphasizing that mental rehearsal is a tool for both short-term success and long-term improvement. The coach supports the player in integrating this strategy into their overall training regimen. Then the outcome, through the combination of achievement-oriented leadership and imagery coping strategies, the striker is not only works towards achieving the goal set by the coach, but also develops mental toughness, resilience, and a focused mindset. This comprehensive approach contributes to the players' overall growth, enhancing their ability to perform under pressure and contribute significantly to the team's success on the football field.